Hello, I'm Dominic. Today we're gonna fix some issues about the Iclone. These issues about the rotated this object, and you see when added keyframe here and going longer and rotate that in local mode or rotation mode. Each you try it, you see we have this problem. It is not optimizing. Let's try with this parameter, and you see nothing. So how can fix that? You can fix that simply with create cylinder. Where is that? Okay, bring it to the center of this object. We want to rotate that. Set it on center of anchor point, a little bit smaller. Okay, that's not bad. So then I choose one and pick parent, this cylinder. Then when I added keyframe, you see problem is fixed. Done. Thank you for watching.